I'm Sharon and welcome to KG.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's so good to be back! My camera is finally fixed. And while my camera was being fixed, Just Egg has entered Korean market! Yay! And to celebrate it, I thought making tomato Just Egg stir fry would be a perfect idea. I got this recipe from my Taiwanese friend. It's called 番茄蛋 or 番茄炒蛋 in Mandarin. It's so easy to make yet very delicious. So keep on watching and let's get started. I would say this is for one serving. I think approximately 1-to-1 ratio is good between the egg and the tomatoes. But you know, some people like more eggs, some people like more tomatoes. So it's really up to you how you proportion them. And Just Egg actually claims to be gluten-free, so this recipe is gluten-free by using tamari instead of soy sauce, regular soy sauce. I'm keeping it as simple as possible with no complicated ingredients today, so let's move on to chopping. For green onions, we're gonna separate the white and the green and chop them up finely. So the white is for the aromatics. And the green is for the color, the flavor, and garnishing. For the tomatoes, you could peel them by scoring them and blanching them, but I don't mind the peels, so we're just gonna cut them up. So remove the stem first, like so. And how you want to cut it is really up to you because some people like it chunky, some people like it more saucy, so you could dice them in that case. I'm kind of in between, so maybe like this. So I have two sizes here, so a little bit smaller and bigger, just to keep it more interesting. In a wok over medium-high heat, just add a little bit of oil. Any vegetable oil will do. And we're gonna pour in the Just Egg. And you can put in a pinch of salt, but you know, Just Egg is really salty enough for me, so I'm just gonna pass on the salt, but add a little bit of black pepper. And we're gonna try to make a scrambled egg. Non-stick pan really helps with Just Egg. And we're gonna make it about 90% cooked. So this is good. We're going to set it aside. In the same wok over medium-high heat again, add a little bit of oil. And add your green onions, just the white part of it. And we're gonna saute it for about a minute or so to bring out the aroma. Going to turn down the heat a little bit. Make sure it's not burnt. And then now we're ready to add the tomatoes. All the juice as well. Add in a pinch of salt. And we're going to just saute briefly. And we're gonna add the tamari to the side of the wok. We're going to let it sort of evaporate, lose its water to bring out more umami. And then we're gonna add water. And how much water you put in is dependent upon your tomato, how juicy your tomato is. So I just added in about a quarter cup of water for now. And we're also going to add sugar. I'm using coconut sugar. Adding 1 teaspoon to start. And depending on how sweet your tomato is, you might not even need to put any sugar. So you're gonna have to have a taste before you add your sugar. And then you can add more sugar, less sugar. It's really up to the tomatoes that you're using. And we're just gonna let it cook. So I did add 1 more tablespoon of water and let it cook over low heat for about 5 minutes now. And we're ready to add in the egg. You know, some people like to add some ketchup, but my friend Jessica said no ketchup or starch slurry for the Taiwanese, classic Taiwanese style. So we're just gonna skip them. Just give it a good mix. Add your green onions. And we're ready to serve. So there you have tomato just egg stir fry. So quick, easy, simple, and tasty, just so wonderful. I think it's good on its own, but you can definitely serve it over rice or noodles with your favorite kimchi on the side, and you're good to go. And let's give this a try. 잘 먹겠습니다. It's a little tangy, a little sweet, and savory. It's so perfectly balanced. It's so yummy. I think my friend Jessica is gonna approve. If you haven't yet, I hope you get to try this soon. You're gonna love it. So this is tomato just egg stir fry. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye!